Leaf. How about this one? Ito, itong tinuturo ng arrow. Yes, please.
Yung umaalon.
Ito po. Yes, Jelly.
Water.
Water. What
River.
type of water?
River.
Yes, very good. River. Aqua.
Thank you.
Ay, cute.
Yes, it is a river. What is it again?
River.
River. How about this one? Itong tinuturo ng arrow.
Tagwan.
Tagwan. Ano po ang English ng tagwan?
Boat.
Tagwan? Hindi alam ang English ng tagwan? Paddle. Say paddle.
Paddle.
Yes, paddle.
Ay, an! Hindi pa ako tinuturo. Ako ang sasagot. Ako na ang sasagot. Water.
Ayan.
Water.
Ang laki.
ka kayo?
Oo.
Lahat, sagutan ko
How
lahat.
about this one?
Rat.
Rat. Rat.
Rat. Rat.
Yes, very good. It is a rat.
Thank you.
Bubuot.
Ito na lang.
One more.
Ito na lang.
Yes, ant. This is an ant.
Ito yun. Yung mga gato. Oo. Nandun yung story na an. Ayun.
How about this one? Do you know what is in my hand? Ano po? Yes, ano to?
Parang.
Parang. Yung Tagalog, what is it? Biga? What else?
Advance.
Parang.
Parway.
Paloy. Paroy.
Paroy.
Hindi.
Paroy.
These are grains of rice. Palay in English it is
Rice.
rice. Very good. Now we will be reading the story Ani An. I want you to come in front. Dali, come in front.
Ay,
Come in front. Dali, lapit kayo. Dali. Dali, upo, upo. Dali,
Dali.
dali.